Good morning, children. So today we're going to do a little bit of a game, and there's going to be a lot of different games. I want you to try and join in and play with me. Okay. Your mums and dads might be writing some stuff down just to see how you're getting on. So we're going to look at lots of different things to see how well you've done over the last few weeks with regards to your learning. We've looked at patterns, we've looked at shapes, we've done counting, we've done so many different things. We've done more, we've done less. We're just going to look at a few of those things today. So the first thing we're going to look at doing some counting. So I want you to have a look at this picture and tell me what you see. How many sweets can you see? Can you count them? When you've counted them, tell your mum and dad how many you've got. Okay, second one. More sweets. Now this one's a bit tricky because it's a lot more sweets. Can you count them? And then tell your mum or dad or your sister or brother, whoever you're working with, how many sweets can you see on the screen. Okay, when you've counted them, let them know. Okay, the last one, there's even more sweets. Now, there's quite a lot here. I want you now to do the same again. Count how many sweets you can see. You can use your finger to touch them or point to them, whatever you want to do. But when you've counted them all, let your mum, dad, or whoever it is you're working with know how many you can see. How many are there? Fantastic. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to look at some shapes. I'm going to show you a picture of a shape on the screen, and I want you to tell me what shape it is. We're just going to look at the four basic shapes. So, here's the first one. What shape is that? Do you recognise it? If so, let your mum and dad know. Here's the second shape. What's the name of this shape? Okay. Third one. What shape is this? Do you recognise it? And finally, this is the last shape. What shape can you see now? So there were four shapes. Well done. Okay, the next part now, what I want you to do is get two bowls out. You should already have this ready. And some pasta or something to count with, like Lego bricks or something, whatever it is. Now, you should have all your pasta in one bowl, so a big bowl of pasta. And then the other bowl should be empty. And what I want you to do is put your teddy bear next to that bowl, and we're going to feed that teddy bear. We're going to do it a few times. So first of all, I would like you to give 3 pasta or 3 sweets, 3 food, whatever you want to call it, 3 to the teddy bear. Can you do that? Have a go. Okay, when you're happy with it, when you've done with it, you might want to count it. Don't worry if you got it wrong. Don't worry at all. It's not a test. You're just having a bit of fun. Okay, did Teddy like those sweets? See if you can eat them. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, pour them back in the big bowl. Okay, now Teddy's still feeling hungry. Even more hungry than last time. So this time, I would like you to give Teddy 6 sweets. Or 6 foods. 6. So see if you can count out 6 into the bowl. Off you go. When you've done it, you might want to check it. If you're happy, that's fine. Your mums and dads will be able to check what you've done there. Make sure Teddy has a nice big fill of his food there. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, pour them all back into the bowl. Now this is the final one. This is a big one, so I'm going to give you a bit of time to do this one. Remember, when I'm counting, I like to use my big voice. Can you give your Teddy 10 sweets, 10 pieces of food? That's 10 in total. Off you go. You give 10 to your Teddy. Don't worry if you've not finished. Keep going. When you're happy, just let your mum and dad know, or whoever it is you're working with, that you've finished. And your mum and dad might want to check if you've got 10 in that bowl. Okay. If you need a bit more time, you can always press pause on the video whenever you want. Fantastic. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some numbers. Okay. These numbers are going to pop up. They'll pop up for a couple of seconds or so. And I want to see if you can tell me what number it is. So here we go. What number is this? Do you recognise it? What number is this one? What number is this one? What is this one? And this one. What do you think this number is? What is this one? And this one. And this one. Don't worry if you don't know them, it's not a test. And what is this number called? Fantastic. Brilliant. Well done. I think you've done a really good job there. So your mums and dad's going to make a little note of how you've got on and then share that with us on Tapestry so we can see how you're doing. I think you've all done fantastic, so give yourself a big round of applause. Well done, and have a fantastic half-term break. We'll see you in a week's time. All the best for now. Take care. Bye-bye.